So, nagising tayo ngayon and sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Ito nangangati yung lalamunan ko.
So, niluluto siya gamit yung asin pala yan, guys. Hindi pala siya buhangin. Mukha lang siyang buhangin.
So, ayan, naglalaro ngayon si Baby Ivan. You're playing? Or rather, you're studying? Pala, oh. Ay, kagaling naman ng baby kong yan, oh. Nagbabasa siya ng book niya. Where's the lion? Lion. Lion. Give me, give. Lion. Very good. Oh, give mommy. Give Hey! Give mommy lion. Nasugat. Give mommy lion. Thank you, Ivan. Hi guys, good morning. So, nagising tayo ngayon and sobrang sama ng pakiramdam ko. Ito nangangati yung lalamunan ko. Kaya inaagapan ko na habang maaga pa kasi baka mahawa nga yung anak ko kasi alam niyo naman yung immune system ng mga bata ngayon. Hindi pa masyadong malakas. So, gumagawa ko ng coffee ngayon. Gusto ko ng coffee. Ewan ko, bigla ako nagising. Sabi ko, ngayon niinom ako ng mainit-init na coffee. Ayaw ko ng chai. So, maglalagay na lang ako ng gatas ng kalabaw. Wala akong coffee creamer. Yung nakasachet. So, gatas ng kalabaw. Mas gusto ko yung coffee creamer na ginagamit sa Pilipinas kaysa yung gatas ng kalabaw. Pero hindi kasi kami nabili dito. So, real milk yung ginagamit nila. So, gumagawa ko ngayon, nagpapainin na ako ng tubig. And for our daily supply ng gatas, ayan, napakuluan ko na. And ito yung tubig na pinapakuluan ko. Guys, so ito yung breakfast natin for today. So, everyday kasi meron kami natitirang mga rotli na hindi nakakain. So, para hindi masayang, ang ginagawa natin is, niluluto natin siya ulit. So, nilalagyan nila ng oil, mga masala, spices, tas ganito na siya. Pwede na siyang ulamin or pwede na siyang kainin sa breakfast. And iniinom natin siya together with this Born Vita. So, tara, kain tayo ng breakfast. And right over here, nagluluto na si Masi. Masi Kensho. Kami, suba naman na, Jeff?
Dalbat. Binda bata kanusa.
Dalbat, binda bata kanusa. So, ayan guys, ito na yung binda natin. So, binda with the potato. Ito dal. This is the dal. And, biju na iba na hidua, Ju? Okay. So, through sa Masi is the one cooking our food every day now dito sa bahay. So, ayan siya. And napatulog ko na rin si Baby Ivan. So, tignan natin ang baby natin, guys. Natutulog na siya. Ayan. Sarap-sarap ng tulog. Ayan. So, ayan, naglalaro ngayon si Baby Ivan. You're playing? Or rather, you're studying? Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. Here's your book. Here's your book. Mas gusto niya atang nilalaro yung box kaysa sa mga book na to, guys. O, tignan nyo. Ivan, oh, you like reading book pala, oh. Ay, kagaling naman ng baby kong yan, oh. Nagbabasa siya ng book niya. Ivan, anong sabi ng book? Ano, marunong ka na magbasa? It's fish. Ha? May panda, oh. There's panda. It's a panda. Ivan, close open Cardo. Close open. Ayan. Close open Cardo. Close open. Wala. Tinitignan. Ay, close open siya, oh. Close open. Wala. Punta na doon. Bigay mo sa akin yung lion. Where's the lion? Lion, give me, give. Lion. Very good. Oh, give mommy. Give mommy lion. Nasugat. Give mommy lion. Thank you, Ivan. Thank you, Ivan. Oh, lion na yan. Sa'yo na yan. Lion. Sige, subo mo. Subo. Ivan. Oh, Ivan. Give me the baby. Baby. Yan na, baby. Sa likod mo. At the back. Baby. Ivan. Baby. Give mo yung baby sa akin. Ayun, baby. I want the baby. Yan. Ivan to. You know that one. I like that one. The baby. That one. Not that one. Baby nga. Here, oh. I like the baby, oh. Here, oh. Give mo sa akin yung baby. Give mo. Oy. Hala, nalaro na. Tara na, bye-bye na. So, pinakain ko na siya, guys. Kumain siya ng, ngayon, mamra. At saka gatas. So, ito yung pagkain ni Ivan, guys. Nagluto tayo ngayon ng khichdi. So, lentils yan na may kasamang tomato. Tapos, nilagyan natin ng kaunting yogurt. And meron ako ditong 2 plato para laruin niya. Kasi mahilig siyang maglaro sa mga plato-plato na ganito. Ayaw niya mismo yung mga toys niya. So, gusto niya yung mga ganyan. So, meron din tayo ditong, bib niya. Para hindi madumihan yung damit. So, tara, pakainin na natin. Guys, tignan nyo yung sasakyan namin. Sobrang linis. So, pinaka-car wash ni Milan. So, ilang araw din na marumi to. Hindi kasi namin nalilinis and napupunasan. So, ngayon, dinala niya dun sa may palengke para nga ipa-full car wash nga. So, tignan nyo. Gagamitin kasi namin bukas and naalis kami. Kaya, ayan, dapat malinis and maayos. And nasa loob yung mga documents ko para hindi na rin makalimutan. And I think yung asawa ko is nagpagupit kaya wala siya ngayon. Kaya nire-ready lang namin yung mga pagkain para pagkarating niya, okay na siya. And makakain na kami. So, ayun. Balitaan ko kayo later. So, ayun guys. Nabili kami ngayon ng Sev for Baby Ivan.
They don't say Google Pay. Google Pay siya?
So, niluluto siya gamit yung asin pala yan, guys. Hindi pala siya buhangin. Mukha lang siyang buhangin. Manewulagas kakare, tiche. Pan namakche.
No.
First, I thought it's red. Sand, Milan. So, ayun, guys. Okay na. So, ito yung paboritong snacks ni Baby Ivan, guys.
No oil.
No oil. Hindi sila gumagamit ng oil sa pagluluto nito. Isn't it amazing? Wow, amazing lagas. Jowa most, Milan. Jowa bow satisfying lagas. Kakak, tamay kamban karawash. Nak. Because of the, asin, because of the salt. Okay. May 20 rupiah manggay lido at labadache, Jo.
How much?
20 rupees. 15 pesos.
Not even 15. 12 pesos.
12 peso. Mastache.
Hi guys! So, nasa labas kami ngayon and bumibili kami ng tinatawag nilang Sevbat. So, yung paborito namin. So, dalawa na yung paborito namin guys. Meron na tayong paboritong tarka khichdi and also Sevbat. So, hindi namin gusto yung ulam na niluto ngayon and konti lang yung ulam. Sakto lang sa kay mommy and papa. So, kami ni Jano and Milan, kakain kami nitong Sevbat. Nag-order na kami. And then, nainggit din si Papa. Ayaw din niya yata yung ulam. Kasi yung ulam namin ngayon, si Mami lang yung may gusto. So, dahil gusto ni Mami, syempre pinagbigyan namin. Pinaluto namin kay Masi, through sa Masi. So, ayun, kaming apat. Kumain na lang, bibili na lang kami. Nag-take out na lang kami ng Sevbat. Ayun. It's done? Not yet done?
Not yet done.
We've been sitting here for like 15 minutes now.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
15 minutes.
Milan, are you excited going back to the Philippines? They are asking...
Yes, this time I am more excited actually.
How do I open all the lights?
That's it. You cannot... It's not Safari that there is so many lights.
Okay.
That's all
So they're asking us why we're always going back and forth to the Philippines every 6 months. Because we just went right
You know
last
how
December.
do you know how many times we went outside of India? This not even 1 year. Last 9 months. Yes. Sige, 1 year.
1 year.
How many times we went outside of India?
4 times.
5 times.
How 5 times?
First when you was pregnant.
Oh.
Then Ivan got birth. In
No,
India.
first I am not pregnant. After 2 years of staying in India,
You remember after 2 years of
In
staying
last year.
in last year lang
Last year,
pala.
5 times we went outside of country.
Kim? Okay, first when I was,
First, she was pregnant. Then we come back for birth of Ivan. Then we
Maldives.
We went Maldives. Then we went to Philippines again to show Ivan to Mama and Papa in Philippines. Then we
Bali.
went to Bali. And then we are going again this time.
That's why my OCI is not finished, guys, because of that. But there's a reason, di ba naman, why I'm going back to the
There is
Philippines.
a reason to go to Bali and Maldives.
That is for enjoyment. Di ba? Life should be enjoyed. What do you
Life
mean?
is enjoy.
But
Life is
seriously,
broke
seriously, I'm gonna tell them my in life.
also.
Ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, guys, nag-i-English ako so Milan can understand and can agree.
No, Tagalog.
Oh, okay. You can understand my
Yes,
Tagalog?
Yes.
So, ganito kasi yan, guys. Ang motto ko sa buhay, magtatrabaho ako, I will work so hard, pero I will spend also. Oo. Because, to be honest, guys, we are actually saving monthly for baby Ivan. And I think, meron na kaming savings enough for Ivan to send him to college. So, ayun, that's the truth. We already have savings for Ivan. So, I was like, if mamamatay ako bukas, if I die tomorrow, what are the memories that I will have? So, even when I was in college, guys, nag-iipon ako ng 2,000, 3,000 just to go to Sagada. When I was in college.
She is determined that I will
Determined.
make Milan broke by the end of the...
No, that's not true. So, ayun guys, nagtatrabaho ako. I'm working very hard. Even in college, di ba, Milan, you know that I've been going to La Union,
But why are you
Sagada,
going to Philippines so
going
many times?
saving my
But why are you
3,000.
going Philippines so many times?
Because I want my parents to see Ivan grow. Di ba? Tama.
Tama.
If I have the capacity to go back to the Philippines, then I will go back to the Philippines because my mother and my father have that, di ba? Like, Ivan is growing and they are not seeing all the time.
This
So-
time, Mommy, Papa, and Janu will also come.
So, we are very excited
Because this is their first time.
to go even
It's
abroad.
Actually, Mommy and Papa, it's first time
Going abroad.
for even sitting in plane.
That's why.
And then going abroad also. And
So, we are also looking forward to it.
and first time for them to see Philippines, even for Janu.
So, suggest us where we will go, what to do, what for them to try without onion and
In
garlic.
Pampanga. Because
Pampanga.
it's rainy season.
No, it's okay also. We can go sometime outside. But we will
Means
see.
in Central Luzon.
Suggest us where to go. So, if it's raining, so we'll just stay somewhere. Ganyan. So, we are just waiting for our food and then I'll update you later.